Hi, my name's Jen. It's nice to meet you. If you're returning to my channel, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm doing some gel printing. So I'm using my 8x10 gel printing plates here. They're quite well used. You can see there's a lot of old paint and a lot of residue and that sort of thing on there, but it really doesn't matter for what I'm doing. So I'm rolling out a nice thin layer of the magenta paint. This is Liquitex Basics. So all of my stencils are my own designs. This one here is from the Wheels and Spears set. I've just picked one of the motifs and cut it quite large. It gives quite a graphic effect, which I really like. So I'm using a piece of wet strength tissue paper to pick up that positive print there. You can see there's quite a bit of residue left on my plate. That's graphite from previous prints, and there's some text from magazine transfers that is still stuck to my plate, but it doesn't interfere with any subsequent prints, so I'm not too concerned about it. Okay, I'm going to use what looks like Naples yellow here. Rolling out a nice thin layer. That's the golden rule of gel printing, is nice thin layers. Smooth, thin, even layers. Looks like I have a lot of paint on my brayer there. Okay, using that same stencil again. Quite graphic. Burnishing with my hands. Using my hands to make sure I get a good contact between the paper and the gel plate to pick up that paint. Ooh, nice and bright yellow. And taking off the mask. I'm going to pick this up with a white sheet of paper, looks like. And we'll see what I get. Okay. Interesting. You can see the bits of residue from the previous print on there. Using some purple again, dioxazine purple. This color's just got such a nice punch to it. Okay, these are also from the Wheels series. This one I've just cut multiples of the same motif, and I'm kind of using it to make a pattern. So they're cut in different sizes. I think I've got 2 or 3 designs here. Yeah. These are such a fun graphic pattern. Using the wet strength tissue paper again. It's just such a versatile go-to for my collage work. And a nice clean print. Nice. Looks like I got a little bit of extra blue in there, but that's okay. That's called character. Okay, taking off all the masks. And using a light blue to do the pickup print on this one. Purple and blue, that's such a good combo. Okay, cardstock. And I let it dry. Cut that part out because you don't need to see me watching paint dry. And then pulling the print. Nice. Got some good texture there.